Hello everyone, and welcome to my video. Today I'm going to be unboxing a Galaxy Projector. This is a really cool gadget that can project beautiful starry night skies onto any surface. It's perfect for creating a relaxing atmosphere in your bedroom or living room. Let's get started. The Galaxy Projector comes in a nice sturdy box. Here's what's inside. The projector itself, a power cord, a remote control, and a user manual. The projector is small and lightweight, and it has a sleek, modern design. The projector is very easy to set up. Just plug it into an outlet. Turn it on. And use the remote control to select your desired settings. Let's view this projector light in nighttime. You can choose from a variety of different starry night sky projections. You can also adjust the brightness, speed, and color of the projections. The Galaxy Projector projects beautiful, realistic starry night skies onto any surface. The projections are so realistic that you will feel like you are actually under the stars. You can use the projector to create a relaxing atmosphere in your bedroom or living room.